In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste from an Excel column to monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you'll first need to open your Excel file. Once it's open, select the column or specific cells that you want to copy. If you want to select multiple columns at once, you can do this by holding down the Control key if you're on Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac, and then clicking on the additional columns you want to include. Once you've made your selection, it's time to copy the data. Simply press Control-C on a Windows machine or Command-C on a Mac to copy the selected data. Now, let's move on to preparing your monday.com board. Before pasting your data, it's important to ensure that the target board has the right column types that match your Excel data. For example, if you're pasting dates, make sure the corresponding column in monday.com is set to the date type. If you notice that any of the necessary columns aren't present, don't worry. Just click the plus button located on the far right side of your current columns to add new ones or rename existing columns as needed. With your data copied from Excel and your monday.com board ready, it's time to paste the data. You have two primary options here. The first option is to create new items. To do this, click the plus New Item button at the bottom of your board. Then, click into the first empty cell of the first column where you want the data to go. Now you can simply press Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac to paste. Each row from your Excel sheet will automatically become a new item on your monday.com board. The second option is to update an existing column. For this, you'll want to click inside the first empty cell of the specific column that you want to fill. Once you're in that cell, you can paste your data, and you'll see the values cascade down to fill subsequent rows in that column. After you've pasted your data, it's always good practice to verify and adjust as necessary. Check the alignment of the data to make sure all rows and multiple columns have lined up correctly with their intended spots. If you spot any errors, no worries, you can easily fix them. Just use Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac to undo the paste and then try the process again to get it right. And there you have it. You've successfully copied and pasted data from an Excel column into monday.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful